Toyota Concept Y. The Toyota Concept Y isn't just a car. It's an intelligent companion that adapts to you. Using AI, it learns your habits, mood, tastes, and driving behaviors. All this data is then used to make your driving experience safer, more enjoyable, and comfortable. The user interface of the Concept Y is designed to be warm and welcoming. It responds to your voice, touch, and even light, making interactions seamless and intuitive. Its sleek, modern design can adapt based on your preferences and road conditions. One standout feature is its ability to switch between automatic and manual driving modes. You can let the car take control when needed or enjoy the thrill of manual driving when you want. The Concept Y is more than just transportation. It's a companion that enhances and personalizes your journey. Toyota plans to test the Concept Y on Japanese roads in the coming years. While still in the prototype stage, the final model could change depending on demand and specifications. Although it's early in development, the expected price for the Concept Y is still to be confirmed. Vision EQ Silver Arrow. The Mercedes-Benz Vision EQ Silver Arrow is a tribute to the brand's rich racing history. Inspired by the legendary W125, which dominated the 1937 Grand Prix, this concept car embodies the idea of progressive luxury. Its design merges classic elements with cutting-edge technology. The body is made of sleek carbon fiber and painted in bright silver, a nod to the original Silver Arrows, which famously ditched white paint to reduce weight. A glowing light strip and EQ lettering enhance its side skirts, highlighting its streamlined profile. Inside, saddle brown leather, polished aluminum, and dark wood pinstripes create a blend of nostalgia and modernity. The car features a panoramic screen that projects a 3D view of the surroundings, adding to its futuristic appeal. Powered by an 80 kWh battery and a 550 kW motor, the Vision EQ Silver Arrow delivers an impressive range of over 400 kilometers. Despite being designed for just one passenger, it showcases Mercedes-Benz's vision for the future of electric vehicles. Toyota i-Road A, three-wheeled electric vehicle. The Toyota i-Road is a motorcycle-inspired, three-wheeled electric vehicle. Compact and emission-free, it's perfect for navigating urban environments. With a single charge, the i-Road can cover up to 50 kilometers, making it ideal for short city trips. Inside the i-Road, there's space for two people, seated one behind the other, maximizing space efficiency. To ensure a smooth and balanced ride, the vehicle uses an active lean system, which adjusts the angle of the front wheels relative to the body. One of the highlights of the i-Road is that it doesn't require a special license to drive. It's as simple as operating a car, with just a steering wheel and pedals. Toyota has tested the i-Road in various pilot projects across cities like Tokyo, Grenoble, and Singapore. However, it's still not commercially available. As for the price, official details are scarce, but early estimates suggest it could be priced around, insert estimated cost here. Joby Aviation. Joby Aviation, based in California, is developing an all-electric aircraft. This aircraft can take off and land vertically, making it suitable for commercial passenger use. Joby's design features 6 revolving propellers. It can fly 150 miles at a speed of 200 miles per hour, all while producing zero pollution and noise. The aircraft accommodates 4 passengers and 1 pilot. It meets the highest safety standards. To launch an air taxi service, Joby Aviation collaborates with Uber, Elevate, and other strategic partners. As a pioneer in advanced air mobility, Joby has been working on electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) technology for over 10 years. Big names like Toyota, Intel, JetBlue, and others have invested over $800 million in Joby. The company employs more than 1,400 engineers and experts. In August 2021, Joby Aviation went public. As of February 7, 2024, Joby shares are priced at $5.85, giving the company a market valuation of $4.08 billion. Joby plans to launch its air taxi service by 2024. This could revolutionize transportation in the 21st century. Mansory Lamborghini Urus, the ultimate performance SUV. The Mansory Lamborghini Urus takes the already powerful and luxurious Lamborghini Urus and pushes it to a new level. Mansory, known for its extravagant vehicle modifications, has transformed this performance SUV into a masterpiece of sportiness and luxury. Starting with the exterior, the Mansory Lamborghini Urus features significant upgrades. It comes with a new roof spoiler, a redesigned front and rear apron, and an array of carbon fiber parts that not only enhance its aggressive look but also improve aerodynamics. Under the hood, this SUV has been tuned to deliver an astonishing 900 horsepower and 1,100 Newton-meters of torque, making it one of the most powerful SUVs on the market. The interior is no less impressive. It's a fully customized space with high-quality carbon fiber and leather materials, designed to fit the preferences of each buyer. The ambient lighting can be personalized, allowing drivers to set the perfect mood for any journey. A carbon roof is also standard, giving the Mansory Lamborghini Urus a distinctive and futuristic touch. Only 9 units of this exclusive Mansory Lamborghini Urus have been produced, making it an extremely rare vehicle. The base model of the Lamborghini Urus Performante starts at $266,000, but the Mansory version, with all its custom upgrades, starts at an eye-watering $218,000 in the US. This is more than just a modified Lamborghini, it's a bold statement of what Mansory can achieve, transforming an already remarkable vehicle into a true automotive masterpiece. PAL V Liberty, the flying car revolution. The PAL V Liberty is an innovative creation by the Dutch company PAL V. It's a unique blend of a 3-wheeled car and an auto gyro, which is also known as a gyroplane. To drive and fly this vehicle, you'll need both a driver's license and a gyroplane pilot's license. What makes the PAL V Liberty stand out is its compact design. It meets all the necessary regulations, making it a practical and functional flying car. When it's on the road, the propeller and rotor stay still, while power is directed to the wheels. This allows the vehicle to function like a normal 3-wheeled car. Interestingly, it also has a high center of gravity, which helps maintain stability while driving on the ground and flying in the air. The PAL V Liberty was first introduced to the public in February 2017. Its production model made a big debut at the Geneva Motor Show in March 2018. The first units are expected to be shipped by 2023. Samson Sky Switchblade, the flying sports car. Imagine a car that can transform from a sleek sports car into a soaring airplane in just minutes. With the press of a button, you can go from driving on the road to flying above the clouds. The Samson Sky Switchblade is a revolutionary vehicle that makes this dream a reality. On the ground, it can drive at speeds of up to 125 miles per hour, while in the air, it reaches an impressive 200 miles per hour. It's designed to save you time, money, and gas by avoiding busy airports and congested traffic. The Switchblade offers the thrill of flying without sacrificing the comfort and safety of driving. It's the world's first flying sports car, a hybrid electric vehicle with 3 wheels that can be driven on regular roads and flown from any airport. When not in flight, the wings and tail fold neatly under the body, protecting them from damage and keeping the vehicle sleek and compact. Whether you're on the road or in the sky, the Switchblade delivers a one-of-a-kind experience, blending the best of both driving and flying. Sea Lion, the ultimate amphibious vehicle. The Sea Lion is not just a car, it's a true masterpiece of engineering and design. This custom-built vehicle, made from aluminum and stainless steel, can seamlessly transform from a sleek sports car into a powerful speedboat in a matter of seconds. On land, it can hit speeds of up to 125 miles per hour, and when in water, it can glide at an impressive 60 miles per hour. This makes it the world's fastest amphibious car. The Sea Lion was created by Mark Witt, who spent 6 years crafting this incredible machine. He designed it for one goal: to set new speed records both on land and sea. Mark refers to the Sea Lion as an amphibious world speed record competition vehicle, reflecting his ambition to push the boundaries of performance on all terrains. And if you share Mark's passion for innovation and adventure, the Sea Lion can be yours for $259,500. But this isn't just about owning a car. The Sea Lion is more than a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. It's built for those who want to explore new horizons, break limits, and experience the thrill of adventure like never before. With the Sea Lion, you don't just drive, you live. SunSwift 7, a solar-powered breakthrough. The SunSwift 7 is an innovative, high-performance solar-powered vehicle, designed and built by UNSW students. Since 1996, the SunSwift racing team has been pushing the boundaries of solar vehicle technology. The SunSwift 7 is the latest and most advanced in their line of solar-powered cars. Weighing only 500 kilograms, this vehicle is incredibly light. Its sleek, aerodynamic design helps maximize fuel efficiency. The car is equipped with solar panels placed on both the roof and hood, generating power from the sun. It also features a battery, allowing it to maintain an impressive average speed of 85 kilometers per hour. Recently, the SunSwift 7 made history by breaking the world record for the fastest solar-powered car to complete a 1,000-kilometer journey. But the team isn't stopping there. Their next goal? To surpass an average speed of 120 kilometers per hour and set a new Guinness World Record for the fastest solar electric vehicle to cover that same distance. Stay tuned as SunSwift Racing continues to revolutionize solar-powered transportation. The air car. Italy has introduced an exciting innovation in transportation. The air car, a flying vehicle designed to push the boundaries of mobility. This futuristic, compact module boasts a maximum speed of 750 kilometers per hour, making it a game-changer in the world of aviation. The air car can carry up to 4 passengers and offers exceptional stability and maneuverability. This is thanks to its 4 rotating Rolls-Royce jet engines, which can independently adjust their inclination and rotation, ensuring smooth, controlled flights. Constructed with carbon fiber monocoque, the air car is both incredibly strong and lightweight. Despite being in the early stages of development, its advanced engineering already promises impressive performance. Lazzarini, the company behind the air car, is working towards building a full-scale prototype by 2024. With cutting-edge technology and premium materials in use, it's expected to come with a hefty price tag, though the exact figure hasn't been disclosed yet. A similar design from Lazzarini has been projected to cost around $627,500, giving us a hint of what the air car might be valued at in the future.